This is how to make a paper airplane. So one of the ways you can make a paper airplane is you can take the paper and fold it in half. This is commonly called a hot dog fold. Then you unfold the paper, and what you are going to do is you are going to take each top left and right hand corner of the paper, and you're going to fold it into the center crease, trying to make a triangle. And you're going to do that with both sides. Once you've made your triangle, you're going to you're going to hold the paper from the top where the triangle is, and you're going to try to fold it down to about 3/4 of the paper. So you're going to ask, what limit do I fold it? We don't want these folds of the paper on the edges here, so you fold it until you have a complete triangle right there. And so fold it when you have a complete triangle. So you have your triangle. Then you take each corner of the paper and you fold it in. And you're not going to fold it in lined up straight. You're going to fold it in at a bit of a diagonal curve, kind of like so. A bit diagonal, not that much, that's exaggerated, but about this much. And you're going to do that on both sides. Now, you're going to take this small triangle and you're going to fold it up like so. Small triangle at the bottom, you're going to fold it up like so. And once you're at this step, bring it closer to the camera, so that's how it looks. Once you're at this step, then keep in mind the triangle must be on top. Then you have this fold in the middle, and you fold the plane in half onto that fold. And what this will do is now you should have a figure like so, with the wing in the pocket, the little triangle pocket you created. Then you simply take one of the folds on one of the sides and you fold it up to the middle, lining it up this time. This time you line it up. You want it to be straight and lined up like so. Then you flip over, you line it up again, and you fold it again. Then you flip over and you have a usable paper airplane with a handle, and it flies pretty well if you try it out. This is another version, and so what you can do, you can take your paper, once again, fold it in half, hot dog style. Then unfold it. You take the corners and you make a triangle with the top left and top right hand corners of the piece of paper. You then take the triangles and fold them again. So you take your new corner on each side, and you fold it to the middle crease again. do the same thing with the other side. Take it from that corner, fold it in to the middle piece. Again. Now, once you do that, you have this crease in the middle. Flip your paper over. And you fold to the middle. Not even to the middle, you just fold what you have in half. Then, take what you have and you fold it to the edge closest to the tip. Once again. Now this one can be a bit hard because you don't want to mess up the tip. And then you do the same to the other side. Fold it in towards the outer edge again. And then you flip over. You have a paper airplane with a handle. That can also fly great as well.